Hello, dears. If you want to be a fluent speaker in English, so it is very easy. As I was watching a native speaker, and he was telling that if you want to be a fluent in speaker, so what is really a fluency mean? So he was sharing that a fluency mean if you are communicating with someone in a conversation and you are sharing your thoughts easily, you are conveying your thoughts, your ideas easily, and someone understand that particular conversation, so you are a fluent speaker. But you should listen to this, that conversation must be of varieties of topics. If you are explaining varieties of topics, varieties of conversation, in each and every topic you can explain your thoughts, so you are a fluent speaker. This is the day 3 of my speaking challenge. So in first 2 days I have shared my story, my personal story, and then I have shared 3-step formula to become a fluent speaker. So as I am a teacher and I love reading books, but due to some certain reason I haven't read for a lot of time. Last time I was reading this book, Think Again by Adam Grant. So I really enjoyed this book. I really enjoying this process of reading. Before starting my experience with this book, as I have learned something from this book, I would share my today's activity. As I am a teacher and a Muslim also, so I woke up early at 4 a.m. and then I took a shower, and after that I went for prayer, Fajr prayer, which is a prayer that we start our day with. And after that I went for walk. When I came back from the walk, so I made a breakfast. After breakfast I went to school, and there I took 5 classes. While I was delivering my lectures today, I was very happy because I was making some changes in the life of my students. As the students were eagerly waiting for my class, I have shared them that if you want to change yourself, so start from doing little steps, start from doing small steps. If you also want to change your life, so start from small steps. Do some small steps to change your life. It's very simple to get a change in your life. So if you take small steps, so you can make a drastic change in your life. Gradually and steadily you will be changed. As I have shared, this is a very interesting book. So I want to share a line from this book with you guys. If knowledge is power, if you are considering, if you are thinking that knowledge is power, knowing what we don't know. So if you are knowing, if you are aware of the fact that you don't know, you are not known to each and everything. So that is wisdom. Wisdom is higher than knowledge. If you are thinking that I know each and everything, that will be a very bad experience and a very bad sign of your failure. That will fail you, a very bad sign for your success. If you are considering yourself that I am full, I'm the best in each and everything, so you will fail. So as I have shared in previous videos, that please record yourselves on your camera and upload that on YouTube. As I have shared in my previous video that I am fumbling a lot, but today I am better than my previous day, as I am making some little mistakes. Previous days I was making a lot of mistakes, and I was not being able to make 3 sentences in a row. And today I am making 6 to 7 sentences in a row because I get some fluency, and right now I am able to speak with you guys a little bit fluently. So if you are aiming to learn English, if you are aiming for to be a fluent, so for that purpose, as I am sharing my videos with you guys, you should also start your videos. You should also record yourself in the front of a camera, and don't be ashamed of your errors. Don't shy, don't feel embarrassed. Just record yourselves and upload on YouTube. A day will come that you will be a fluent speaker. You will be a confident and a worthy speaker of English. So, one of the lessons I took from this book when I was reading it, at the start, there was a very interesting concept that the writer shared that if you are not updating yourself with the current era, you will fail. The people are heading onward, and you are staying at a very position that, and you are thinking that I am the best at this position, and you are not changing your thinking and not changing your thoughts and not changing your strategies, so you will fail. So you should run yourself, you should adapt yourself to the current world, you should update yourself. So there was a story that when Mark Lazardius uh, first invented BlackBerry, which was a very famous invention before the era of smartphone. So everyone was shocked by his discovery. But after that, when Apple launched their mobile phone, Mark Lazarus didn't change his tactics. He haven't make any changes, any upgradation in his phone. So he was failed and badly failed in his tactics and in his business. So my takeaway from this story was that you should change yourself according to the era. You should adapt the technicalities and the best possible outcomes from the current era, that you can move onward easily, and you can adapt yourself with technology. As nowadays there AI is on the fix, so use AI for your purpose, like for speaking English. Record yourself and look over there how I am making mistakes. If you are not aware what are my mistakes, so put it on AI sentence. Put your sentences over there. If you are thinking that that is wrong, so it will be a very fruitful experience of you guys, that AI will give you a solid and holistic feedback. So that's it was a very interesting video of mine, as I was not being able to record my today video. I was stuck, but finally I intended and I started recording this video. If it is helpful for you guys, so please subscribe the channel and be passionate and be intended to learn English. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, please.